Another housewife story. Again, Kim and Kroy, but they appear to be enjoying an Italian dinner to celebrate their 12th wedding anniversary despite their impending divorce. They filed for divorce back in May. Of course, this has been really nasty. They've been separated since April, and, you know, they've been going back and forth, accusing each other of drug use. She's accused him of not keeping her out of their home, blah, blah, blah. So it seems like that now maybe they're back together. She added her married last name back to her Instagram because, you know, that makes it official. But does it seem like now that they are just using the divorce for financial gain?
Christina, I cannot make sense of Kim and Kroy. I mean, you know, I just think it may just be one of those toxic relationships where they break up to make up. But legally, I mean, they filed, they've reconciled, they filed again, they've called the police on one another, made some very damaging public accusations. I mean, they're reportedly in all sorts of financial trouble. So every week, you know, it seems like there's another chapter in this never-ending saga with these two.
No, definitely. But does this ever hurt them in a court of law, or does the judge not even pay attention to what's really going on in the personal business? Is it more of like what's going on in their financials at this point?
Well, potentially. And we've talked about cases such as Tom Girardi and Erica Jane where it may make financial sense to get a divorce. I don't know if this is one of those cases, because sometimes, let's say one of the spouses owes a significant amount of money, but the other doesn't. The spouse that doesn't owe the money might want to get divorced to remove their share of the proceedings from different creditors. Again, I don't know if that's that type of case. I don't get the sense that either of them have significant assets, so they're going to protect one at the expense of another. I just think this is one of those really dysfunctional relationships, and, you know, they decide to file and they change their minds. But really, in most states, you're dealing with no-fault divorces anyway, so you don't need a reason to file a divorce. One spouse can terminate their relationship for really any reason or no reason at all. So I don't know why they're going through all this. I don't know the explanation, but hopefully they'll put this all behind them one day and separate it, because I think that's probably going to be in the best interest.
Kim and Kroy have officially stumped Neama. We don't know what's going on anymore. We can't figure it out. But I'm sure next week we'll have a different story about them.